Dear students, today we are going to study book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The name of the lesson is Book Review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. So what is the meaning of book review? Book review means study of that particular book, the merits and demerits of that book. In Marathi पुस्तक समीक्षण. तर एखाद्या पुस्तकामधल्या गोष्टी, चांगल्या आणि वाईट गोष्टींचा अभ्यास करणे म्हणजेच बुक रिव्ह्यू, पुस्तकाचं समीक्षण करणे. तर आज आपण आर के नारायण हे जे प्रसिद्ध लेखक, त्यांच्या पुस्तकाचा बुक रिव्ह्यू म्हणजे परीक्षण आपण करणार आहोत. पुस्तकाचं नाव आहे स्वामी अँड फ्रेंड्स. सो we are going to learn the lesson book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. A little bit about the book. Anything I mention about the book can be mistakenly understood as spoilers, so I would rather give a glance into the book without mentioning any events or plots of the story. The critic here says, critic म्हणजे कोण? जो त्या पुस्तकाचं समीक्षण करतो आहे. ते म्हणतात आहे, critic says I don't want to spoil the book by mentioning any events in the book. I would only glance into it. Glance म्हणजे दृष्टिक्षेप टाकणे, to peep, to look into the book. He says I would only glance into it. म्हणजे थोडक्यात माहिती मी तुम्हाला देणार आहे या पुस्तकाची, असं आपल्याला समीक्षक सांगत आहे. सेकंड पॅसेज. स्वामी is a mischievous little kid. Mischievous म्हणजे खोडकर, naughty. Little kid of about 10 years old and living in the era where India was under the British rule. Like most kids of that age, Swami is a kid who cannot stay at one place and absolutely hates school, even worse mathematics. School is his absolute nightmare. Anyway, the story unfolds around the happenings of this kid and how he constantly gets into trouble and gets a good beating from his father. So, in this book, we see a little boy. Swami, his name. Swami is a very mischievous, means naughty boy of 10 years old, living in the pre-independence period at that time. Era म्हणजे period, काळ. In the pre-independence period of that time, India was still under the rule of British Empire. ब्रिटिशांचं राज्य होतं भारतावर. He cannot stay at one place. Swami is a kid who cannot stay at one place means he is very restless child. School was like a nightmare for him. Nightmare म्हणजे दुःस्वप्न, एखाद्या गोष्टीची भीती वाटणे. Nightmare means a very horrible frightening dream. त्याला शाळेत जायला आवडत नव्हतं. He doesn't like mathematics. He hates to go to school. He doesn't like to go to school and he doesn't like mathematics. School is his absolute nightmare. He doesn't like to go to school. School was like a nightmare for him. This story tells us very mischievous and activities of Swami. He constantly gets in trouble, so his father beats him. He was very mischievous and so he always gets in trouble and his father beats him. Swami is a talkative little kid. Kid म्हणजे मुलगा, बालक. Swami is a talkative little kid and thinks that's his way of facing life, talking himself out of everything. But he does learn the truth the harsh way. As many teens back then, all he wants to do is play under the sun, kick something, climb a tree, break something, and harass somebody, unlike kids today. This in fact was, and in most parts of India still is, the life of a typical boy growing up. Technology isn't big in a kid's life. All they want is to play havoc. Swami is a talkative little kid. He likes to talk continuously. Talkative म्हणजे बडबड्या, तो खूप बडबड्या होता. He likes to talk continuously like other kids. He likes to play. Technology isn't important in a kid's life. He just want to play. He just want to enjoy his life. He wants to enjoy his life. He wants to do his play under the sun, kick something, climb a tree, break something and harass somebody. Harass करणे म्हणजे to give trouble, त्रास देणे. This in fact was the life of a typical boy growing up. Technology isn't important in a kid's life. He just want to play. He just want to enjoy his life, to play havoc, दंगा मस्ती करणे, खूप मस्ती करणे त्याला आवडायचं. To play havoc means to cause damage, अनर्थ उडवणे, घडवणे, मस्ती करणे, दंगा मस्ती करणे त्याला आवडायचं. He talks about everything to himself. While next stanza, next passage. In what ways is Swami a typical boy in his growing years? While going as a typical boy, in this regard, Narayan gets deeply into the workings of Swami's 10-year-old mind, explaining exactly how he thinks and what his perspective of the world is. The reader does feel like Swami and gets very attached with the character as the story progresses. That's the magic of Narayan. In this regard, Narayan gets deeply into the workings of Swami's 10-year-old mind, explaining exquisitely how he thinks and what his perspective of the world is. Perspective means point of view. दृष्टिकोन. Perspective, दृष्टिकोन. Exquisite means in a pleasing manner. म्हणजे very lively, उत्कृष्टपणे. R.K. Narayan, I am going to explain this passage. R.K. Narayan exactly describes qualities, the feelings, expressions of Swami. Readers feel Swami in themselves. He is going in this book, R.K. Narayan, the author of this book is R.K. Narayan, one of the greatest authors. So R.K. Narayan exactly describes qualities, the feelings, expressions of Swami. Readers feel Swami in themselves. That's the magic of Narayan. स्वामीचं कॅरेक्टर वाचताना वाचकांना आपणच या कॅरेक्टरमध्ये जणू काही आहोत, जणू काही आपलंच इथे व्यक्तिमत्व रेखाटलं जात आहे असं म्हणायचं, असं वाटायचं. आणि हेच R.K. नारायण यांचं या लिखाणाचं वैशिष्ट्य आहे, ते त्यांची जादू आहे लिखाणाची. सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ द बुक. Significance of the book. Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan is not merely an interesting read that could be enjoyed from top to bottom, but the work attributes a lot of literacy values even if it is a teen book. So this book gives us full enjoyment. Though it is teenagers, of it preserves lots of literary values also. This book is only for teenagers, but this book gives us full enjoyment. It preserves lots of literacy values also. लिटरसी म्हणजे आपल्या त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला खूप ज्ञान मिळतं आणि सगळ्यांना ज्ञान देण्याचं हे काम करतं. स्वामी अँड फ्रेंड्स is a good book read for the kids and teens alike. Also, the book is widely used in the Asian continent as a study text for the students who study literature as a subject at schools. This does not mean that the book is filled with heavy grammar and technical jargon. Actually, the truth is in contrary to this. Here it is said that this book is a good read for all the people of all ages. Swami and Friends is a good read for the kids and teens alike. Also, the book is widely used in the Asian continent. It is used as a study text by the students who study literature. साहित्याचा अभ्यास करणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी अतिशय उपयोगाचा आहे इन एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट. तर आशिया खंडातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी जे साहित्याचा अभ्यास करतात, लिटरेचर म्हणजे साहित्य, त्यांच्यासाठी हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं पुस्तक आहे. दो व्हेरी हेवी ग्रामर और व्हेरी technical jargon means very technical, means polished language is not used in this book. This is very simple. This book is very simple to understand. Language is very simple. Technical jargon means very म्हणजे शब्द बंबाळ ज्याला म्हणू की खूप मोठमोठ्या शब्दांचा भरणा असलेलं असं हे पुस्तक नाहीये. It is not difficult to understand. It is totally opposite of that technical jargon. Swami and Friends is written in such simple English. It is hard to imagine that it is a work of such a literary genius like R.K. Narayan. The English used in the book is both plain and simple without any troubling words for the kids. Also, the use of simple and short sentences adds to the simplicity of the book. In this book, very simple language is used by the author R.K. Narayan. We can't believe that such literary genius has used very simple, plain language in this book, which can be easily understood by the kids. This language, the language of the book can be easily understood by the kids. Very simple and short sentences are there in this book. Very simple and short sentences are there in this book. It is mentioned in the description that the book is about a mischievous 10-year-old Indian boy, and some parents may be concerned about the influence this will have on their already mischievous children. But the book is as such that it encompasses the mischief of the kids in a view of the kid which is harmless and pure in his perspective. Also, amidst all the mischief and naughtiness, we actually find that Swami is a loving and a tender kid who is actually very sensitive. So, in this book, R.K. Narayan, the author, describes the quality of a child, of a kid, Swami. As it is the story of a very mischievous child, some parents may change their view towards their already mischievous children ॲज दिस स्टोरी एनकम्पासेस मीन्स टू फोकस, म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीवर भर देणे, की अतिशय खोडकर मुलाचं इथे वर्णन आलेलं आहे, म्हणून काही लोकांना वाटलं की आपल्या मुलांवर याचा काय परिणाम होईल, आपले मुलं अजून खोडकर होतील. बट द व्ह्यू ऑफ द किड इज हार्मलेस अँड प्युअर. But Swami is but we actually also, amidst all the mischief and naughtiness, we actually find that Swami is a loving and a tender kid who is actually very sensitive. But in this book, Swami is very sensitive. अतिशय भावना प्रधान, संवेदनशील असा हा मुलगा आहे. But the view of the kid is harmless and प्युअर, अतिशय स्वच्छ असं मत असणारा, इनोसंट असा हा मुलगा आहे स्वामी. दो स्वामी इज अ व्हेरी मिस्चिवस नॉटी बॉय, ही इज व्हेरी लव्हिंग, सेन्सिटिव्ह, संवेदनशील. सेन्सिटिव्ह म्हणजे संवेदनशील. मिस्टर आर के नारायण excellently conveyed all these things to the readers. Mr. R. K. Narayan, who is the author of this book, excellently conveyed all these things to the readers. So, this book is a good read for the children of all changes who may want to improve their English skill. It is also a known fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive and loving people of all, and R. K. Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. So, in conclusion, it can be said that this book is a good read for children of all ages, so who may just enjoy a good read or who may want to improve their English skills. Now about the author. Now we are going to learn about the author R. K. Narayan. The author of Swami and Friends is India's one of the greatest authors of all time, R. K. Narayan. R. K. Narayan is the writer of this book. R. K. Narayan is responsible for many of the outstanding literary works India has ever produced, and this book in particular captures the essence of India under British ruling and the mind and life of a typical teenager kid. तर अतिशय सुंदर अशा भाषेमध्ये आर के नारायण यांनी, जे अतिशय प्रसिद्ध असे साहित्यिक आहेत, लेखक आहेत, त्यांनी या पुस्तकामध्ये स्वामी या मुलाचं वर्णन केलेलं आहे. भारत जेव्हा इंग्रजांच्या आधिपत्याखाली होता तेव्हाचं वातावरण यावेळेचं आहे. एसेन्स म्हणजे स्पिरिट. So this is the information about the writer. He is one of the greatest authors in India. R. K. Narayan is responsible for many of the outstanding literary works. त्यांनी अतिशय महत्त्वाचे असे साहित्यांची निर्मिती केलेली आहे, साहित्य लिहिलेलं आहे. And this book in particular captures the essence म्हणजे spirit of India under British ruling and the mind and life of a typical teenager kid. अतिशय विशिष्ट असं त्यांनी त्या मुलाचं वर्णन इथे केलेलं आहे की टिपिकल माइंड, की टीनेज म्हणजे 13व्या वयापासून तर 19व्या वयापर्यंतच्या मुलांच्या मनाची जी स्थिती असते, जी संवेदनशीलता त्यांच्या मनामध्ये असते, त्यांच्यातला जो इनोसन्स असतो, तर त्यांच्यातल्या त्या संवेदनशील मनाचं वर्णन त्यांनी या पुस्तकात केलेलं आहे. अदर ग्रेट वर्क्स बाय आर के नारायण इन्क्लूड. आता आर के नारायण या लेखकांचे आपण अजून कोणते साहित्य प्रसिद्ध आहे ते बघूया. मालगुडी डेज, द गाईड, द पेंटर ऑफ सायन्स and many more literary works such as the Ramayana, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic, and the Mahabharata, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. Go take a look at them if you are interested. Now, in the end, the information of the writer is given. He means Mr. R.K. Narayan contributed a lot in outstanding literary works. He is one of the greatest authors. The author's great work of the other great works of R.K. Narayan are Malgudi Days, The Guide, The Painter of Science, and many more literary works such as a shortened modern prose versions of the Ramayana and Mahabharata. एपिक म्हणजे त्यांनी महाकाव्य जे आहेत रामायण आणि महाभारत यांचे त्यांनी त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये संक्षिप्त अशा रूपामध्ये त्यांनी त्याच्यावर लिखाण केलेलं आहे, साहित्य लिहिलेलं आहे. द गाईड. सो द अदर ग्रेट वर्क्स ऑफ R.K. Narayan are Malgudi Days, The Guide, The Painter of Science, and many more literary works such as a shortened modern prose versions of the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So girls, today I have taught you the lesson book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. A critic explains the merits of this book. It is a very beautiful, interesting book. The language is very simple and attractive. So, while writing about the book, when we give our opinion about the book, we write name of the book, type of the book म्हणजे ते कोणत्या प्रकारचं आहे, author of the book, characters in that book, background, problems which are mentioned in that book, and a special message we get from that book. So, write the answers from English workshop, complete the activities from English workshop. I will complete the activities in another video. Read this lesson again and again and find out the questions of the answers of activities which are given in English workshop. Okay? Goodbye.